Welcome back to my channel. It is Nia here, and previously you may have saw that I did a burping contest with Coke, the big bottle I had, but now it is something similar, but it's a different bottle. As you may know, it's Tango Dark Fruit, which tastes a bit like Strongbow as in the alcohol. So I am personally going to do the same challenge, but with a different sort of bottle. Hope you enjoy. Now, you may hear the same fizz, but it's different. I'll drink as much of this as I can, and you're going to see how big this is. This is 2 litres. Better than my 1.75. No burp. Even though I had a different drink. I'm going to take another few. It's like my body's built different, because I had no burp reaction. Nothing. As a ninja myself, I am very good at not burping when they do by accident. I'm a different. Sometimes my body can't handle so much, but then after a while, so I've drank from up to here all the way down to about mid-center, and that's all you're getting for today, because my body hurts now. So like, stay ninja, all of you out there who may be ninjas, be healthy, and I hope to see you again. Ninja Nia out.